These are the shocks for the rear bonnet. These are the pair of old ones which already have no longer any energy left in them to lift up the rear bonnet. So been to the junkyard again. Found myself another two pairs of them of a similar length, but unfortunately the mounting hose, I need some work on the mounting hose. So two new mounting hose. This should be able to go back into the rear and support the rear bonnet of the car. So some random cabbage on the car resting, but anyway, back to the conversion process or refitting of the car. Well, I've made some new mounting holes for the absorbers that I found from the junkyard. So got both pairs, and I have some rubber padding ready for it. I'm gonna test fit it or fit it straight away onto the car. Well, I forgot to make a note on the battery pack voltage, which I did register, and I forgot to mention in my last video. Now, since the pack was done or manufactured completely in factory, it was somewhere in about late February last year. So because of the BMS, the delivery was delayed, and of course once it reached me, the battery box did took me a couple of weeks before it was done, and then the wiring and so on, and until now I have actually never touched or never actually applied or used the battery in any way. So I did check the voltage out, which is 148.9 the last time I've checked it. So practically it's been sitting still for the last 12 months or so, or maybe 13 months, since the day it was last charged at factory. So if you look at the reading, I hope you could, it still reads 148.9 even after doing the few test run, which was really nothing. So if just to reconfirm again, in my I've used the same meter to register the value. Once I've got it, I've connected the whole pack. It was 148 point something, 0.9 and 149 about. So the same meter gives me the same reading. The date I've got it was somewhere in December, if I recall it correctly, and till now it's been lying in my house or in the car, or in other words lying still, not been used for the past at least 6 months. And since it was manufactured, well, 13 months at least. So voltage has not changed for the whole pack at all. So I've just to prove that there is no need to charge it, or no need to even do whatever to it. There's nothing to be done until you use it. So talking on the problem last week, I have went out myself and bought a sort of similar relay, which is a 12 volt 1C rated. Well, if it's 1C, it's pretty can handle some ampere. But then again, just want to share the knowledge if for some of you who might run into the same problem and would have some what do you call, some situation as I am in now. So I've quickly rigged it up on a conventional relay, and I've also been to the junkyard, the machine junkyard, and got myself a pair of old used but still in good condition Omron's solid state relays. So for two of these, I saw two of these off the shelf. I quickly grabbed it out. Normally the ones that are solid state, which is size of course matters, then cost is another thing. So I've been to the shop, and I found out that actually the similar things, the solid state cost about 6 times of a conventional relay. So this guys normally cost about 6 times one of this. Went to the junkyard, I saw this for about 2 times, or 2 times the price of this, so 2.5 times. So I quickly grabbed whatever I can find, which is in the range of setting. And it also, this one, even though it is used, it still have a cover, so the cover could be dust proofing, so peel off the cover, we could see the rating much more easier. It's rated for 5 to 24 volt DC, and would be able to handle up to 480 volt AC at 10 amps. So that's quite some serious power. I picked up another one just in case, which had a smaller rating. So input remains the same at 5 to 24. So I could practically use this from 5 volts to 24 volts DC, and run a load from 24 volts AC to 240 at 10 amps also. So basically these devices could handle up to 10 amps of power. Then again, these are AC rated, but I'm just using it for the signals to the controller, so that won't be too big of a concern on the power. But it's much I think the solid states one should be much more efficient in terms of power, so I could drive maybe a couple of more power up another couple of more bulbs, that's all. And also it give me a red LED that tells me that this device are energized, which this one it's normally a click. So I've rigged it up. The only thing missing is the negative. So I would conduct the first test with the solid state relay. So it is, of course, like I've mentioned, it is priority sensitive, so I'll have to make sure that I have the terminals all in a correct way. So as you can see, once I've connected it, there's an indicator that tells me it is on. So I could see it's actually energized now, nothing on. So that's the indicator. And I'm using some old batteries to simulate it. So once it is on, there is a value of current passing through here. So once I unplug it, voltage would slowly drop all the way back to 0. So that's how the solid state relay works in a way. It's more or less similar as the conventional ones. Well, things would be much more simplified with the conventional relay. So the charge terminals, once activated, there will be a coil that energizes, and you should be able to hear a clicking noise. So that clicking noise confirms that this is a good relay. So can go ahead and test this both of these relays in the car and see which one works better, which is very much similar to the one that I used to have. So this one I just could simply plug it back in and test out the whole thing. So here goes. Well, that was just to make sure everything is good, and it would mount back to its original site. No changes on the wirings and connectors, so I'll power up the batteries and give it a try on the motor again. So everything is live, even the battery charger is now working with its LED indicator that even the battery is charging now, since I've been playing with it a little bit. So it's just providing some charging for it. Fans drawing in some. So here goes the relay refixed, replace relay test. So it's all well then. The relay fixed everything. So the mechanical or the electrical conversion is all almost there. Well, I've also quite keen in testing out this solid state relay to see if it's functioning. So the whole system is actually now turned on with I've pulled out all the wirings and quickly sort of rig it up. So as you can see, the red light is on. So the solid state relay is energized now. On the power for the motor, and here goes. I will use manually to turn that on, and here goes the so the solid state functions the same. so no problem at all. Just a matter of which one to use then. So I've changed the conventional relay to the solid state type, redone the wiring, not say the wiring, just the connectors. I've changed the connectors over to the screw type. So I've fixed all the old thing in. I'll just give it a good quick try and move on to the other part of the work. I'll switch on the key for now. So the solid state relay would relay the message that the power is on, easily recognizable by the red LED. This piece of rubber molding could be listed as one of them. I think I took more time to pull them off than to put it back. It's not that difficult. So let's have a go. Well, the trick is not to push it in, but smoothly and slowly, smoothly. You could actually find the groove and just slide it and pull it all along the groove. So that is one side of it. Not demanding at all, but of course some patience would be better. The side ports, the sides sleeve walls stuck in. Well, the next one, if alignment is all right, all the pins would align itself, and just a gentle push with a click, you'll be able to hear some clicks, and the whole molding would fall back in place. Well, all the 4 doors now have all the rubber moldings. The original ones are reused, so all of them have the rubber moldings all fitted up again. So, and the last 2 that I've done earlier. So with that, had to be forced to call it day or week, so it's been a good weekend for now. But next week I would be really tight for time. It's an exhibition going on, plus I'm seeing very late nights, so I might not have any spare time or even no time, cause the exhibition might run on Saturday and Sunday too, so I most probably would have to spend time there at the exhibition. So I don't know what's going on, but I'll find, if there is any time to be found, I would make sure to use it working on the car again. So for till then, thanks guys for the support, and I'll try to see if I could get anything going by next week.